Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLOW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes summarizing the price action pretty straightforward. Keyword there being price action. So how would I summarize the price action? Pump and dump now, or actually pump and dump on thin ice. I don't want to forget the thin ice part. Now, if you're saying, wait, no. I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense that this company is being run out of somebody's attic over in Somalia. I'm just making the statement and judgment based solely on the price action itself. So what is my definition of a pump and dump? My definition, price makes a really good move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started or sometimes lower. So let's just first establish, where did all this get started from? Well, basically the price has been stuck down here in this channel for a very long time. So I think we can all agree there was the channel it was stuck behind. So it broke above the channel right there. So that's where I'm saying it got started from. And then price makes a really nice move. Well, I would assume that from where it went here to all the way up there, everybody would agree, yeah, that was a really nice move. And then the second part is, well, within a short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started. Well, considering this all happened today, I would say that's a pretty quick amount of time for all this to happen today in terms of the price pulling back. And then this is where the thin ice comes into play. Technically speaking, did it go back to where it started? Well, it did temporarily, but then it bounced. So you got to give some credit where credit's due to the bulls. But this is the thin ice part, meaning, yeah, the price pulled back, and okay, technically speaking, yeah, if this level here at 32 cents can continue to hold, well then, yeah, you would have actually a level of support there. So that's where the set of lows would be. The previous set of lows would be down there, and if you look at those as stair steps, well, okay, from big picture perspective, technically speaking, there would be stair steps heading in the upwards direction. But the bulls don't have much leeway, hence the thin ice part, because if the price, falls back below this 32 cent mark, then that's literally putting the price right back to where it already was, which again, that's what a pump and dump is. Prices go back to where they started, or in some cases lower. So yeah, who knows? Maybe this will turn around and this will be the new higher low, and the price can recover. But like I said, in my opinion right now, pump and dump on thin ice. So we'll see if the bulls can stay above that thin ice or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.